accounting's the language of business. It's the one thing that everybody can equate to is numbers. Like, everybody understands. You don't know English, Spanish, but numbers are numbers.
Maybe take it from the perspective of the the owner who has 2 to 3, it has 1,000 units or 1,000 multifamily units, right? And they have their local accountant who's doing it, right? And now they're going, wow, this just seems daunting to transition to somebody new. Walk them through how easy it may be working with you guys to be able to transition that.
Yeah, it's really, we do it all the time. And so, yes, having a transition period is great, but I think it's really all about, look, this is coming from an accountant, but I think that our most successful clients are owners that know what's going on with the accounting and actually care what's going on with the accounting. And so there's a group of owners out there, which some people are wildly successful, by the way, but just want to turn a blind eye to accounting and go, I don't know, like, let them deal with my accountant handles all that. The reality is like, that's how you get into trouble. That's how you get big surprises. And I think if you're not willing to kind of lean in, so I just always say, and this is kind of why, part of my story is my uncles that encouraged me to go into accounting. They always said, hey, look, you don't know what you want to do in business, but you want to go into business. Accounting's the language of business. It's the one thing that everybody can equate to is numbers. Like, everybody understands. You don't know English, Spanish, but numbers are numbers. And so I just think that owners really leaning in and spending the time to understand what is the status of your bank reconciliations is, as simple as that sounds, but it's foundational. What is your AP process? How is that working? What's your financial close process? Like, you don't need to do it all, but I think you have to generally know what's going on in the cadences and the flow of the business.